My name is Manuel Caron. I'm from Cannabis Insurance, and I've been in the insurance industry for 20 years now. I started in 1998. I started in the personal lines at an independent agency. I opened up SoCal in 2008. We've been specializing in cannabis insurance for the last couple of years now. It's a very exciting industry.
What types of cannabis insurance is there?
So the types of cannabis insurance that are available is general liability insurance, product liability, crop insurance, including theft, commercial auto insurance, workers' comp, errors in emission, property insurance coverage, just to name a few. So you can get a quote by going to ogcannabisinsurance.com. If you click the link at the very top that says get a quote, fill out the information, that profile is going to get sent to our team here, and what we're doing is going to get back with you. Or you can call our office and talk to one of our agents here live. We're going to fill out this information for you.
What insurance companies do you guys represent?
So first off, we represent the client, not the insurance company. Our main job is to give our clients like you the best rate available, the best coverages available.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Benjamin Landaverde. I am an insurance broker, agent here with SoCal's Best Insurance with ogcannabisinsurance.com. I specialize obviously in the cannabis industry. I chose to specialize in this industry just for the simple fact that I know the insurance world now with a little bit of experience, and I grew up in the cannabis world. So I meshed both of those worlds together to come and help everybody here in the cannabis industry. I'm here just to let you know, when you're dealing with me, you're dealing with something that's going to be real transparent. I'm going to break things down with something complicated as insurance to break it down so for you to understand on what's covered and what's not. And you can always rely on me on professional and discreet service, as well as understanding that you will get what you want.
What is cannabis insurance?
Cannabis insurance is insurance that's been specifically designed for the cannabis industry, for its cannabis operators. Whether you're a commercial cannabis cultivator, manufacturer of cannabis products, a retail or wholesale dispensary or distributor, cannabis insurance has been specifically designed for your business.
How fast can I get a quote?
So the typical industry turnaround time for quotes right now is about 14 days. We've been able to streamline it down to about 5 days. And the reason we're able to do that is because of our in-depth experience and knowledge in the application process. These applications are about 18 to 10 pages long, sometimes as much as 40 to 50 questions long. So the ability to answer those questions promptly with the information that you give us helps us turn around the quote from the carrier to you in under 5 days.
As a cultivator, you guys are at the beginning of the chain line, where you guys are creating the world of the cannabis industry. Dispensaries is a great thing. I think that obviously you see the most foot traffic in a dispensary. You have a lot of different aspects and risks that pertain to a dispensary. When you're a dispensary, you're on the front line of where the cannabis world meets the regular world as far as the consumers and patients. So as a dispensary owner, most of the time people worry about when you're dealing with cash transactions only, you're kind of a target. So you worry about people stealing from you, people coming in there and trying to rob the place of its inventory during or after business hours. So the insurance is going to help you, one, for covering you on theft of your inventory, fire, if there happens to be a fire and things burn down and your inventory goes up in flames with it, then you could be covered for it. As well, now you have workers, you have payroll, you're going to want to consider workers' comp for the simple fact of avoiding fees, and even worse, avoiding a lawsuit if an employee happens to get hurt on the job.
So the different types of cannabis insurance are going to vary from theft and fire, from general liability to product liability, commercial auto, and workers' comp. All of the products that we're able to offer you are, number one, going to be approved for cannabis operations. They're going to be approved for your state and your risk.
If I'm already insured or working with another company, can you still help?
Definitely. We can still help you if you have an insurance policy in force already, or renewing your insurance policy, or maybe you've contacted another agent or broker and asked them for a quote, but it's just not working out. Okay, so you're a manufacturer, or you're considered a cannabis manufacturer. So that's going to mean that you take something and you make it into something else. So if you're a manufacturer of oils, if you're a manufacturer of edibles, you have a lot of different parts coming in from all different industries to make your final product. And because of that, your risk is one of the riskier in the business. A lot of companies now are taking flowers from multiple different growers, extracting the oil, and putting it into either a vape pen or cartridge, or topicals, or edibles, or whatever it is that you're doing with your product. So we have a chain of other people's product that may affect you come claim time.
Insurance for a transporter delivery type of operation.
So definitely yes, transportation is one of the key areas of our focus here in the at ogcannabisinsurance.com. What we're able to do is get you a policy that covers your vehicles and your drivers, whether they're your employees or independent contractors. We're able to cover them up to $1 million plus in the event that they cause an accident. We can cover the cars that they're in. We can even cover the product and inventory that's in their vehicle. So we can cover it from a theft basis, a fire basis, a collision basis. We can do that up to a 100-mile radius or the entire state. We can cover you if you're delivering to patients or going business to business only, but we can definitely give you the coverages that you're looking for if you're a distributor or delivery company.
What about insurance for nonprofit organizations or consultation groups?
So consultation groups and nonprofit is definitely a focus area of ours. What we're able to do is find out what coverages and what risks you have, whether you're a consultation just in advice or you're a consultation in actual applying of paperwork and fees and so forth, whether you're expertise based or just solely more of an advocacy group. We can find the right insurance policy that protects your business, that protects the nonprofit.
I think the cannabis world is just going to get more legitimate. You're going to see more corporate, you're going to see more commercials about it, you're going to see billboards about it, and I just see it going in that world. So along with the good and bad.